What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay Will, and I've got a nice product in from HAVIT. Now, I've dealt with them in the past with things, but this is one of their latest speakers, and this is the E5 magnetic Bluetooth speakers. It's an IP7X waterproof, 4,000 milliamp hour battery inside, and TWS. This will run you about $59. I'm going to test it for you. It's got a soft velvet touch, it says, and a durable design. It's got the two-tone color, the black and red right here. So you see I got the black and the red One Plus and the One Plus 6T. Have them laying out, shining on you. Now, get up to 30 hours of playback on here. So you can combine the TWS function. Basically means you can hook up two of these, you know, for a higher volume, a higher quality. But let's get this open here. Hangs on, like, give me a little setup of what it looks like. Let me slide the camera back a little bit. Yeah, let's crack it open, man. Shout out to UPS for beating up my box and tossing it everywhere. Yeah. Sports speaker. You know. It just kind of comes. Well, this thing got some weight on it, man. Got a little bit of weight on it. And it comes apart like that. That's clean right there, man. That's clean, so you can hook it around, man. I'm definitely taking this on a trip with me. Let's see what else we got here. We got the manuals, obviously, that nobody's reading. And then this is probably like a charging thing in here, charging cable. Wish it was Type C, but I know it's not. And then you get a little headphone 3.5 joint. So let's put all that to the side. And here it is. This is sweet, man. This is really nice, man. Really feeling this so far. Feel in hand, it's just perfect, man. This is good for a trip for sure, man. Like, it's a rugged style speaker or whatever, and it's waterproof and all that. But this is a nice compact speaker, and I can't wait to see how loud it is. It says you can hook up two of them, again, shout out to HAVIT for sending this one over for review. Your ports and everything are going to be inside of here, and it does have a full-size USB a B, because you can use this as a power bank to charge your phone too. Yeah, so you can do it like that. And then you also got the micro USB for charging, and you got an SD card where you can put some music in there. So I like that this is considered a power bank too. So before you start getting it wet, you got to make sure you get that right there sealed up right there. So let's power on. Get some juice. Oh. I'm pressing the volume down. Get out of here, man. So this thing lights up. Let me grab my iPhone real quick and get it. This thing starts up with a beatbox or something like that. Try to get it going. Get my glasses real quick so I can get this thing set up. I'll play some different tunes for you. You know what I'm saying? And get it all set up. HAVIT E5 pops up real fast. And we'll get it demo. I don't know if I like that sound though. I don't know about that. But here it is. You got your volume up and down. You can use this for track and pause and play also, more than likely with the power button. Let's get some music going here. Let's find something here. Let's just try this one real quick since it's right here. All right, let's see. Peak volume. This thing is vibrating. So no pause and play with this center button right here, but on the labels here, as you can see, this is the battery right here. There's a little battery icon at the top right there, real faint right there. And over here, it's got a music symbol, let you know this is the speaker. Just playing some music for you. Get some sense of it. So I mean, it sounds decent, man. I mean, it's over video. You're not going to be able to tell exactly how strong the bass is or whatever, but I'm telling you, it's definitely a strong one. Check this out. Play a different song here. This thing is loud, man. Turn it down a little bit. Just give you some samples. I'm sure it's shaking the table. Let's go to another track right here, man. Give you some sense of how it's gonna be. Let's try another track here. Just get you some sense of the different types of sounds that's gonna come from it. Vibrating. You don't want to listen to the Isley Brothers. I'm gonna get a phone here because I want you to see you can charge a phone. Since it's a 4,000 milliamp hour battery inside, I had to grab a Type-C cable. So we come around here and we'll plug this bad boy in right here, and then we'll grab the new joint from ZTE. And it's charging. Shout out to my Project 13. Now, when you plug in a phone, you get the indicator down here. You can see exactly how much battery is left on there. So that's pretty sweet right there, man. That's pretty tight right there. Now, I got that phone charging. Let's play some more music. I bet you thought it cut off. Look at that bad boy vibrating. That's crazy. All right, man. It's your man Jay. This is HAVIT speaker right here, man. This thing is it's actually pretty sweet, man. I can't front. Yeah, you can charge your phone or whatever. Yeah, I'm loving it. Sounds good. It's not. It doesn't have the most bass or whatever, but it's definitely loud. Yeah. So extended look here at the black and red HAVIT joint. It's nice, y'all. I'll see you in the comment section. Yeah.